Okay guys, this is how to fix a bike chain. Right here, back sprocket, you'll have to take it off and pop it back on. And up here, which is the front sprocket, as you can see, my chain is caught and sometimes doesn't want to come out. And you gotta take slack from this thing right here. You gotta, like I said, pull up on the chain. And then finish fixing your chain right here. This is a long time, isn't it, guys? A lot longer than normal. Yeah, guys, my bike chain is really bad. Okay, there we go. Now you take it, put it on that sprocket there, let go. And you got yourself a fixed bike chain. Have a good day.